In front of me is POCO C75, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Then hit Permission Manager. Select one of your device's features to manage and tap on an app that you wish to allow or deny access to your feature. I will go with Facebook. Now it's time to apply one of those options: allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow, and go back. If you are more interested in managing one of your apps instead, click on any feature, find your app, click on it and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!